How to find hidden messages on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option, and further, tap on the messages option. Now, scroll down and under the message filtering tab, tap on the unknown and spam option. Further, go ahead and toggle on the filter unknown senders toggle button, and with this, all the unknown messages will be sent to a different tab. So, go ahead and open the Messages app. Further, go to the Filters tab by tapping on the Filters option on the top left of your screen. You will then see the option for known senders and unknown senders. If you tap on the unknown senders option, all the messages that are not from your contact will be sent to this particular tab. So, this is how you can find hidden messages on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.